looking for step-by-step guides or videos for pothole repair that actually teach you how to do the job safely and effectively. Start with the surface assessment. Clear loose debris with a stiff broom or leaf blower, probe the edges with a screwdriver to find undermined patches, and mark the full extent of damaged asphalt or gravel so you address the whole failing area. Choose materials by load and climate. For light traffic and quick fixes, use cold patch asphalt applied in thin lifts and compacted firmly. For heavier traffic or longer life, remove to sound material and use hot mix or a properly graded aggregate and binder. Prepare the base by removing saturated material and filling with compacted crushed stone in 6-inch layers, each compacted with a hand tamper or plate compactor until firm and level with surrounding pavement. For asphalt work, tack the vertical faces with a bituminous tack coat so new material bonds, then place material slightly proud and compact from the edges toward the center to avoid pushing material outward. Keep compaction equipment moving smoothly and overlap passes by 50% to eliminate seams, and finish with a final compaction pass when the patch surface is slightly below the surrounding pavement to allow for settling. If you prefer learning visually, look for full repair demonstrations that show sifting base material, compaction techniques, and the sequence of lifts. Pause frequently and compare your work to the video before proceeding to the next step. Common mistakes include failing to remove soft or saturated base, which leads to premature failure, so always excavate until you reach solid material and replace with compacted crushed stone. Another issue is poor edge treatment, where new material does not bond to old, so clean and tack the vertical faces and compact toward the center to form a tight seam. A third frequent problem is under-compaction, which causes raveling, and the fix is to use appropriate tamping equipment, compact in multiple passes, and check that the patch is slightly lower than adjacent pavement to prevent traffic displacement. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and browse learning resources for repair projects like pothole patching. We connect contractors with homeowners looking for work and host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences.